Hi guys, do you know that the classic Nigerian meat pie can taste even better and it can be ready in half the time? There is a secret that I want to let you guys in on. Puff pastry. Yes, puff pastry. So by swapping out regular pastry with puff pastry, you're going to get a very similar result. I had no idea until I tried it myself, and I want to show you guys how to do it in this video. So you want to chop your carrots, your onions, and your white potatoes. You want to chop them up finely, right, as small as possible, and then just put them aside. So I chopped up half of a habanero pepper, but it's actually optional. So you're free to use, ground black pepper or ground paprika, really any ground pepper seasoning of it. So if you notice, while the ground beef is frying, I'm kind of like using my spatula to chop it up, because you don't want it to like clump together and then become like meatballs. So you want it to be separated. That's why you have to kind of use your spatula to chop it up. So you fry until when your beef is almost ready, you notice that the pink color has gradually changed to like this dark brown color. Then you can add in your vegetables, just add in all of them at the same time. So this is the consistency that you're going for, right? You don't want it to be too stodgy and you don't want it to be too runny. So once it's ready, you can go ahead to preheat your oven, and then now it's time to move to our puff pastry. So you can get your puff pastry from any regular grocery store. I got mine at No Frills. It's usually in the freezer section where they sell like frozen pizza, frozen okra, and things like that. So you would find it there. Then you have to check the back of the or the instructions on the puff pastry. The number of hours for it to defrost or for it to thaw is usually indicated. This is really important. You want it to thaw for the number of hours they have recommended. So when you put it in the oven, definitely want to keep an eye on it to make sure that it's baking nicely and evenly. Voila, our meat pie is ready and it looks good. So you want it to be brown just like this, so you can have a very nice crispy exterior, but then the inside remains moist and tasty. When I say this is a very, very good pie and it's ready in half the time, you just have to try this. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please remember to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.